To our channel. Today in this video we will discuss 11 topics which are relevant for every competitive examinations conducted in India. First topic is e-SAKSHI portal. This is an initiative by Government of India aimed at providing transparent and efficient grievance redressal mechanism. As a citizen of India or any other state, you might have grievances against various government departments or its functionaries. But those complaints or grievances may not be addressed in proper way or manner as it should be. So that's why Government of India has taken this initiative, e-SAKSHI portal, where you need to log into the account with your credentials. Before that, you have to create an account on that website and post your grievances and redressal to the public authorities. Number 2, Indian Ocean Center, the Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services Hyderabad, selected for Subhash Chandra Bose Abda Prabandhan Puraskar 2025. This is current affairs. Now I have discussed few details. What are Indian National Center for Ocean Information Services and what are the services it provides? So it was established in 1998, located in Hyderabad. It's a part of Earth Science Organization. What it functions and how it provides such information regarding potential fishing zones, tsunami early warnings, ocean state forecast, marine heatwave advisory services, coral bleaching alerts, and storm surge warnings. Such informations are provided by that organization, and that is very helpful for us to save our life and livelihood. INCOIS uses a combination of in situ data collection, remote sensing and all other etc. Next point, number 3, Union Minister Piyush Goyal said that their government is setting a target of 10,000 GI tags by 2030. A committee to be formed to oversee this implementation. GI tags given to the products which are unique and unique to a locality. The number of authorized users for GI tags increased from 365 to 29,000 and the number of patents granted increased from 6,000 to 1 lakhs in the past 10 years. So I can assure you that there should be a GI tag related question in the every upcoming examination of central government is very expected. Number 4. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, MeitY, recently released a comprehensive report titled Estimation and Measurement of India's Digital Economy. In the report, they have mentioned various topics, but few are, you should know few of the informations. As per the report, in 2022-23 financial year, India's digital economy contributed 11.74% to the national income, equivalent to 31.64 lakh crore rupees. This is expected to rise 13.42% by 2024-25 financial year. So, estimation of India's digital economy. This is the part of GDP. So, digital economy, what are the things included into it? I have made a list: e-commerce, digital payments like we use Bheem or Google Pay or Phone Pay like that, digital platforms, data and analytics, cloud computing, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, digital content. The video you are watching right now is a digital content. So those things are considered to be digital assets, and these are very vital and coming days. Next point, 5. Government of India and Republic of Korea conduct signing of an exchange of notes for NCERT's technical cooperation project. So thing is that Government of India and Republic of Korea has signed an agreement which will be overseen or be conducted by NCERT to strengthen vocational training and vocational education and training in Mechatronics. Now India has a very large young population, which is called demographic dividend. But this demographic dividend need to be workforce ready, because they need to be imparted training in right direction so that they can earn a livelihood, they can contribute to the nation building. For that, Republic of South Korea and Government of India has signed an agreement. What is mechatronics? Mechatronics is a multidisciplinary field of engineering that combines principles from mechanics, electronics, computer science, control engineering to design and create intelligent systems and products. For example, mechanics. How mechanics functions or work involves the design and analysis of mechanical systems and structures. This includes everything from gears and bearings to complex machinery. Maybe that could be a two-wheeler engine, a four-wheeler engine, or a factory machinery. All are involved in this mechanics. Electronics, focusing from development of and integration of electronic circuits and components such as sensors, actuators, microcontrollers. Then computer science, I think you know computer science, control engineering, and mechatronics is used in various applications including robotics, animation, automotive systems, aerospace manufacturing, and consumer electronics. So this is very vital. You should know about mechatronics. The Army Hospital, number 6, the Army Hospital Research and Referral in Delhi Cantonment recently performed India's first ever left ventricular assist device, which is first time in India. Okay. The implementation using the HeartMate 3 device. This procedure was successfully carried out on a 49-year-old woman who had been waiting for a heart transplant for over 2 years. The HeartMate 3 LVAD is often referred to as mechanical heart. When your natural heart fails, now humans have invented a mechanical heart that will let you live. And the services and serves as a life-saving bridge for patients with end-stage heart failure. It uses advanced technology to support and enhance heart function, offering renewed hope to those with severe cardiac conditions, and successfully performs India's first LVAD implant. This is very vital thing. I think everybody should know it, because heart-related ailments is main thing of our lifestyle. This is byproduct of our lifestyle. Number 7, in first, Tri Services Tableau to take part in Republic Day Parade 2025 with the theme Shashakt or Surakshit Bharat. Before this year, Tri Services have never took part in a combination. The tableau would depict a joint operations room facilitating networking and communication among the three services. It would display a battlefield scenario demonstrating a synchronized operation in land, water, and air. With the indigenous tank Arjun, Tejas Mk2 fighter aircraft, advanced light helicopter, INS Visakhapatnam, and a remotely piloted aircraft, reflecting a tri-services synergy in multi-domain operations. Next point, number 8. Raksha Mantri, the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated Vidya Pitam Sainik School in Alappuzha, Kerala. Now Sainik School, there are different Sainik schools all over the India. I almost one Sainik school in every state. So what does it do? The people who or the students who learn in these schools, they are prepared to entry into National Defence Academy, National Naval Academy, and other military academies. Primary aim to provide quality education and training to students, instilling values of discipline, dedication, and patriotism. Admission to Sainik School is through All India Sainik School Entrance Examination, which is conducted for class 6 and class 9 respectively. Curriculum, affiliation, expansion, every details are there. You can go through this by pausing the video. Number 9, the carbon footprint of the beef and feed value chain is significant concern due to high greenhouse gas emissions. We all know greenhouse gas are causes for concern. They are trapping the temperature or the heat. and the heat is creating devastation in our atmosphere. Now, if you consider the production of beef and the process of beef and its feeding, these are creating, I have written in details how these are creating or making havoc. Methane emission, beef production is a major source of methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Cattle produce methane through enteric fermentation, that means digestion process. Feed production, the production of feed for the cattle also contributes to greenhouse gas emission. This includes the cultivation of feed crops like soy and corn, which requires fertilizer, pesticides and irrigation. Land use, processing and transportation. So these have contributed to the greenhouse gas emission in huge quantity. So we can say that if people becomes vegetarian, this might help a lot. Number 10, large-scale forest restoration is crucial for achieving sustainable developmental goals and combating biodiversity loss. So there are three sustainable development goals which comes in this action mode. Sustainable development goal number 13, 15 and 6 all are detailed, all have been given a detailed information here. You can go through them. And last and final point is plant blindness. This is a term coined by botanists James Wandersee and Elizabeth Schasler in 1999. Plant blindness doesn't mean the plant is blind. Plant blindness means human eyes are not sensitive to the presence of such plants, which may help and not may help, definitely helps human and atmosphere, but still they are ignored. So there's a list of 12 plants which are very helpful but ignored by humans. And few I have given some information regarding 5 of the 12 plants which are ignored but essential and good for human. First is argan, found in cosmetics, food and pharmaceuticals. Argan oil is known for its anti-aging properties and is the most expensive edible oil in the world. Conservation efforts in southwest Morocco supports the livelihood of local communities, especially Amazigh indigenous women. Aloe vera, moringa, neem, baobab, we all know these names of the trees. So with this, this video concludes. If you think I have said or teach something wrong, you can make a comment in the video. That will benefit me and also the aspirants who will watch this video. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.